On and beauty. I love that one. Too pretty for pain. Prime time, baby. Ow! Not the face! Oh, wait, I remember this is a big one. Sorry, noob. I like that one. Pew, pew, pew! Bullet storm! This is too easy. Time for trouble. Watch out. Here I come. Check out my guns. Ha ha ha!
Birds are singing. Down to mine. Kapowie! Dynamite! Dynamite! Sorry. Not bad for an old timer. Don't touch my canary. I've got a short fuse. I'm getting grumpy. Who wants some TNT? Here, birdie, 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 birdie.
Don't mess with Jess. We can do this. Sorry. Great spot. Where will I put my friend? Build and brawl. Jess will fix it. Time to get constructive. Ha ha ha!
I see you! Look, my favorite brawler! Brawl Stars forever! I'm gonna chase you, and I'm gonna find you. You can't get away from me, ever. This is so cool! So many cool brawlers. Don't touch my scrapbook. Okay.
Creatures of the night. And, dash and destroy. Dashingly handsome. I bring you the gift of darkness, Mortis, bringer of doom. I am a creature of the night. Have much fear. Mortis is here. You have been bested. Your soul is mine. Time to rest. I believe you got pwned. I'm mortified. You fiend. How dare you? People like that one.
¡El primo! ¡Soy el mejor! ¡Showtime! ¡You lose! ¡Buenas noches! ¡For pain and for glory! ¡Vámonos! ¡Adiós, amigos! ¡Me muero! ¡Adiós, mundo cruel! El primo is here. ¡El primo! Macho Punch, Primo Punch, Face of Fury. Sin dolor no hay gloria. El campeón. The show must go on.
Look at me! Not from that angle. Also, hashtag winning, of course. It just feels good. Are you serious? Oh my God! Take a chill pill. Oh, time to update my blog. Have to go and tell people that I was interviewed by Lex Gaming. Oh my God. I literally can't even. And let's go get him. Así me gusta. Boom. Bling, bling. Winning.
Guess I have to do stuff. So tired. For the win. Calm down, everyone. Yay, woohoo. Nap time. Get some rest. Shh. Sweet dreams. Go to sleep. Relax. Whoa, chill. Whatever. Good night. To sleep, perchance to dream. Nighty-night. Sand shroud. Sandstorm. Did I do something? Amazing. So tired of winning. So cool. Yeah. So happy.
Wow, yes.
That's her.
Oh, wow. I'll have to say stuff that Bo doesn't necessarily say because I don't have like a script in front of me. Yes, I did not memorize the lines as Bo. I am strong like the wind. I am one with the earth.
Wow, dude! That was funny. I'm turning it up to 11! Hey! You broke my guitar! Power chord! That was probably my favorite one.
That I want this Bronx-sounding big guy who can make it tough and sound little words with big talk. No one beats the bull, because it's unbelievable. I'll never leave you hanging when it comes to the bull.
Yes.
Oh!
Kablam, pow, zap, sizzle! Go, 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 go! Try to think. Why is everyone so slow? Did someone hit me? Let's go, come on!
Go, go! Watch the flanks. Battle stations! Who's a good boy? Every dog has its day. My bite is way worse than my bark. Preparing for counterattack. Don't call me Doggo. Bravo Zulu. Enemy contact. It's an ambush. Ah! When the going gets rough, rough gets tough. Incoming!
Number 1. Bye-bye. Let's go. Yeah. Yes. And then she goes, I'm the best.
Sensational! That was a big mistake. Try some snake oil extract. The reptiles are growing restless. Sign here with your life. Time to seal the deal. You need my no noob cure. Buy 1,000, get 1 free. Run as fast as you can. I will find you. Let's party! Go, 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 go! Surge Protector! Surging Rage! Take it easy, bruh. Surge for the win! To protect and surge. Surge and destroy. Surge, 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 surge!
Spectacular Stew is here for safety last. Hey kiddos, what's this? Doing it for all the lonely cats out there. Keep the tire marks as a souvenir. I'm one lean, mean winning machine. I'm only a bit broken. And because I know this is going to, they're going to probably say something, but like, spin the win, baby!
Stick a fork in me. I'm done. I'm sugar and spice. Come get it. This ain't my first rodeo. Give me some sugar. This is my second favorite Piper line. Kiss my grits. Oh my. Mind your manners. Well, I do declare. Bless your heart. Oh, sweetie. You're welcome. Oh, too bad. Oh, my stars.
Have a bliss ball, y'all. 100% certified flavor sauce. Gosh golly. Gee willikers. Uncle Lou is here for you.
The one thing that wasn't in the script was this laugh that it was like, I just threw that in after the session and just left it in the recording and sent it to him, and it made it in the game.
Y'all be loving the sour apples flavor.